Hello.
Seriously, why the hell are you two so hyper?
I'm not. Let's go. Let's go. This is our room.
So the silent treatment was just for the morning time?
What?
So the silent
Damn it.
treatment was for the morning time?
There. This is our room. Bed Marky. Bed Kayleen. Thing. Wall. Marky.
I took it you were late for John.
Yep.
Now I slide down the stairs on my bed. Woo!
What?
Woo!
Yeah.
Ow. Ow. Damn it. There's Kayleen.
Hello. Can I watch
Thomas!
Look at Marky. Here we go.
Can't. Oh.
He caught it. But now it's gonna come back and be like, why the fuck is there ice on the ground?
This is our movie.
It's probably gonna be water by the time you get back.
Marky, pass me up a Corona. Getting more wasted than I am.
We don't have any.
I knew you were drunk. Off of a
Down the stairs.
I can't see you, it's too dark. Can't film you.
Go, go,
I'm not gonna get to sleep.
Ah!
Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna sleep tonight.
I want to try. No, I want to.
Give me that.
Stop it.
I'll videotape.
How about this? Hello.